In today's TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust the style of your reports, how to change the color scheme and that sort of a thing. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or your location selected, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click Styles. This is where you can see your styles, the way your reports look. If you want to create a new style, click the Add button at the top of the chart and give your style a name. We'll say purple. If you don't want to add this style, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. Then click on your new style. Next, you can decide if you want to share this style or not. This means other TeamWork 5 managers can use it. I'll go ahead and share the style. Now I'm going to choose my fonts. Maybe I want them all to be the same. So I will click the arrow next to the font and choose to make them all Arial. I'll do the same thing with the last one. Next, I need to decide how I want the header fonts to be formatted. I do want these to be bigger, so I will click this arrow and change this to 16. And if I didn't want them to be bold, I could click this arrow and change it to normal. I'm going to leave this on bold. I could do the same thing to the footer, but I'm going to go ahead and leave that one at 8. Font size is the size of the entries in the table itself. I'm going to go ahead and make those bigger. Next, I need to set the header style, group style, and cell style. If you have a specific color code, you can enter it into the box, or you can click this arrow and choose your own colors. I did say purple, so I'll go ahead and choose a purple. I'll do the same thing for this next one, but maybe I'll make it a lighter purple. I do have one more box, so I will make this a different color, let's say a bluish color. Again, I could change the header style to bold or normal, same thing with the group style. I'll go ahead and change that group style to normal. If you want to see page breaks in your table, click the page breaks button. And if you want to change this to a landscape wide view because you have a lot of columns, instead of the normal portrait view, click on landscape. If you're happy with these changes, click Save. Now this new style has been created. To see your style, go to the top menu bar and click on Reports. Then choose a report to view. I'll do this one. Now you can see the new style of my report. If I want to switch the style of a report, I can go to the top here, click the Style button, and change to something else. Maybe we'll do the default. I'll choose Save. And now that style has been changed back to the default. To go back to my new style, I will click Style again and choose purple. Again, I do need to click Save. And now I can see my style. You can also copy a style or delete one. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Styles. Say I want a variation of my new purple style. I can click on purple. Then go to the bottom of the chart and choose Copy. TeamWork 5 is going to ask what you want this new style's name to be. I'll go ahead and leave it at Purple Copy. If you don't want to add this new style, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now Purple Copy has appeared in the chart. If I click on this, maybe I don't like this color and I want to change it. I can click here, choose a different color, and then choose Save. Now I have two variations of my purple style. To delete a style, select that style. We'll go ahead and say New Pink Copy. Then choose Delete at the bottom of the chart. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this style. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that copy of the new pink has been deleted. That's how you can create, delete, and adjust styles for your reports. Check out the next video to learn how to set up report packages.